Django pre_save signal, check if instance is created not updated, does Kwargs, created, still, exist? I am using Django's pre_save signal to implement auto_now_add. There is a lot of discussion on the internet on why you should or shouldn't implement it yourself. I do not appreciate comments on this. Neither on whether I should be rewriting the save function. I have a lot of models that use auto_now_add, so using signals makes sense. My question is, I would like to check if the instance is created or updated. According to some sources on the internet, this can be done by testing if Kwargs, created, is true. However, created does not appear in my Kwargs even though the instance is newly created. I was just wondering if it has ever existed or that it has disappeared magically. I know I could also test if Kwargs, instance.id is set. This in fact works for me, but I'd like to know if Kwargs, created, still exists.
According to the latest Django documentation, pre_save does not send a created argument. Post_save however does. I could not find any reference of the signal sending created since version 1.0.
Primary key attribute usually assigned by the database when the instance saved first time. So you can use something like if instance.pk is none.
I'm not sure if this is the recommended way, but at Radagast method didn't work for me. Not sure if it's because I use custom PKs. I tried the following, not sure if this is the best way. Reference, Django. What is the role of model state?
Using instance_state.adding is the most logical approach, as you will be able to tell the model state exists or is new, regardless whether the primary key has been assigned or not.
Yes,